Hello there. This is a quick look at how you install ICU Scandinavia TinySense, both in the refrigerator or freezer and in Boomerang 3. It's always a good idea to start with the hardware installation. To do this, you need to follow 3 steps. Start by plugging in the power outlet. Confirm that the cloud connector is online by looking at the cloud icon. And after that, place the measuring point in the object. Now you are done with the hardware installation. After the hardware installation, you need to install the measuring point in the Boomerang 3 system. Start by creating an object. The object could be a refrigerator, a freezer, or similar. After that, go to the uninstalled measuring point and grab the sensor. Give it a name, select alarm limit and the object. And you are done. Check the measuring point on the dashboard, tap it with your finger, and you will see the sensor shake in the interface. That is how smooth it is to install TinySense from ICU Scandinavia.